Alright, let's talk about something interesting. Motorola and stylus phones. If you're into budget-friendly devices with a built-in stylus, you probably know about the Moto G Stylus series. Super handy for jotting down notes, doodling, or just making your phone feel a bit more high-tech. But a few years ago, Motorola briefly experimented with bringing stylus support to its premium lineup with the 2022 Motorola Edge Plus. The catch? The stylus wasn't included, you had to buy it separately. And after that, Motorola just dropped the idea. But hold on, new leaks suggest stylus support is making a comeback, and this time it might be built in. According to well-known leaker Evan Blass, a device called the Motorola Edge 60 stylus is in the works. He kept it cryptic, posting on X, "Motorola Edge 60 stylus sounds interesting, no?" That's it. No specs, no deep dive, just enough to stir curiosity. And from the name alone, it sounds like this model could follow in the footsteps of the Moto G Stylus 2024, which, by the way, is currently listed on Amazon for $250. Now, here's the big question. What kind of stylus are we talking about? A basic capacitive one like the Moto G Stylus series, or something more advanced, maybe even a Bluetooth stylus with extra features? If Motorola goes all in with a Bluetooth pen, that could push the price up, but it might be worth it for those who want a more premium experience. Availability is another thing to keep an eye on. The Moto G Stylus models have mostly been limited to the US, but hopefully Motorola makes this one available worldwide. And here's a fun thought, Motorola still hasn't announced the Moto G Stylus 2025. Could the Edge 60 stylus actually be the Moto G Stylus 2025, just with a different name depending on the market? Brands love to play the rebranding game, so it's definitely possible. Either way, it's cool to see Motorola bringing stylus support back to something beyond their budget lineup. If this leak turns out to be true, we'll have a lot more to talk about soon, so definitely subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one.